Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Febrianti Salsabila and I'm from English department. Today I'm going to explain a short mini lesson about writing paragraph using Canva Docs. This is a simple classroom activity that helps students write and revise their work collaboratively. In this mini lesson, our objective is students will be able to write a short paragraph and revise it using Canva Docs with correct grammar, vocabulary, and paragraph organization. So, at the end of the lesson, students will have one clear and improved paragraph create together. So, next we will divide students to some groups for work together, write and revise their work collaboratively in Canva Docs. Okay, now let me explain the steps students will follow during this lesson. For the first steps, brainstorming idea in pairs. So students divide up two or pairs. Students discuss the topic with a partner and write down some key idea, and then they can write in the Canva Docs. And for the next steps is group paragraph writing. So we as the teacher or guide, we can divide the student in some group, in small groups. There are can 3 or 4 members in one group. So students work in small groups of 3 or 4 members in one group. And then each group opens Canva Docs and start drafting one paragraph together based on their brainstorming. Because like I say early, that student will brainstorming their idea, and then they can write down some key idea. For the next steps is peer feedback using Canva Docs. After writing, each group shares their Canva Docs link with another group. The other group gives feedback using the comment feature in Canva. And for the next step is revision. This is the last steps. Students revise their paragraph based on the feedback they receive. Okay, because in the first step is brainstorming, then they drafting or write, then they can give feedback, and for the next is revise. At these steps, at this step, students will student will give feedback to another group. Then they can give feedback like for the correct grammar or correct the structure, paragraph structure, and so on. They can edit the grammar, vocabulary, and organization directly in their Canva document after they give feedback. And then so the activity goes from brainstorming, drafting, feedback, and for the last is revising. Okay. In this lesson, maybe anyone asks that what is the teacher role? The teacher role in this activity is for the first, maybe I as the teacher will be show how to using Canva Docs. Like for the first is we can download the application in Play Store. Then we go to the Canva application and start to write down our topic from the brainstorming. After brainstorming the idea, then we can write down the few idea in the Canva docs, and then I, as the teacher, will monitor group work because the student work in some groups. So we, as the teacher, must monitor the group work, and then as the teacher, we can help students with grammar, correctly, vocabulary, and paragraph structure, and guide them in using Canva docs, especially how to comment and share links, and give additional feedback after peer review. So the teacher support both the writing and the technology part, especially the technology part. In this session, the objective is to student can be able to write in the Canva document. They can using the Canva document as the technology to improve their writing skills, and they can correct the grammar, vocabulary, and paragraph structure, and give additional feedback after peer review. Okay, and then what is the student role? Student will brainstorm idea for the first and write one paragraph together, and then share their Canva docs link with another group to give feedback and receive feedback, and then revise their paragraphs. Students are active throughout the process, the learning process. Okay, everyone, and that is the end of this mini lesson. By doing this activity, students will learn how to write clear, better organized paragraph, and improve it using Canva docs. Thank you for watching.